Hello everyone, we are Group 50. Our presentation is about harness analogical reasoning for empathy, a unified framework for enhancing large language models. Empathy, the ability to understand and share the emotions of others, is a cornerstone of effective human interaction. It is equally vital in human AI interactions. Empathetic AI can build trust and deliver more human-centered and meaningful experiences. While current methods like chain of thought reasoning enable models to articulate their reasoning processes. They have notable limitations. Specifically, COT operates by reasoning from scratch without leveraging prior experiences or benefiting from successful cases. How to deal with it? Analogy-based approaches have shown great promise in enabling large language models to handle complex reasoning tasks. Internal methods such as thought propagation and external strategies like buffer of thought have proven successful in reasoning. However, their application to empathetic generation remains underexplored. These approaches aim to either enable the model to generate analogical examples independently or to leverage external analogy-driven knowledge to enhance ability. Our central question is, how can analogical reasoning in large language models enable and enhance empathetic generation? We investigate the role of analogy in empathetic generation from three key perspectives. The internal analogical abilities. How do the internal analogical reasoning capabilities of large language models influence empathetic generation? Analogy-based prompting. How can analogy-based prompting enhance empathetic generation? Specifically, does the number of self-generated analogical examples impact performance? External knowledge integration. What role does external analogy-driven knowledge play in driving empathetic generation? We conducted our experiments using the two small name models. Our analysis measured both the analogical reasoning and empathetic generation capabilities of these models. We used the prompt engineer to do our test. Here is an example to measure the analogy ability. For question 1, we observed a positive correlation between a model's analogical reasoning ability and its capacity for empathetic generation. For question 2, a bell-shaped relationship was identified between the number of self-generated analogical examples and the model's empathy performance, indicating an optimal range for analogy use. For the last question, analogical knowledge from external sources significantly enhanced the model's ability to generate empathetic responses. Looking ahead, we envision treating AI models as agents capable of broad analogical reasoning. Our future plan includes first, extending research to a wider range of tasks across diverse small-scale models. Second, developing more nuanced evaluation metrics that capture relational and contextual subtleties in analogical reasoning. Empathy is key to human-centered AI, and an analogy provides a powerful framework to enhance it. Together, these approaches bring us closer to AI systems that genuinely understand and respond to human emotions. Thanks for your time and attention.